Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do I order this online?
Click the Add to Cart button.
How long does delivery take?
About 3 days.
Can I pay with cash?
No, only cards are accepted.
How much is the shipping fee?
It's free for orders over $50.
What if the item is damaged?
You can return it for free.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it going to rain?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer summer.
Is it snowing outside?
Yes, everything is white.
Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, it might rain later.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I work out every day.
How do you use this machine?
Just push these handles.
What's your favorite exercise?
I love running on the treadmill.
How long do you exercise?
About an hour.
Do you want to join my yoga class?
That sounds fun.
Can you tell me the way to the bank?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 10-minute walk.
How do I get to the train station?
Take bus number 5.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's next to the supermarket.
Can I walk to the park?
Yes, it's very close.
Where should we go for the picnic?
Let's go to the lake.
What should we bring?
Sandwiches, drinks, and a blanket.
What time should we leave?
Around 10 a.m.
Will it be crowded?
Maybe it's a sunny day.
Can we play games there?
Yes, let's take a ball.
Have you seen this movie?
Yes, it's really good.
What's your favorite movie?
I love action films.
Do you like scary movies?
No, they make me nervous.
Who's your favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Great. I'll bring popcorn.
Did you try the cake?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you know anyone here?
No, you're the only one I know.
The music is so loud.
Yes, but I like it.
What time will the party end?
Maybe around midnight.
Do you want to dance?
Sure, let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you like cats?
Yes, they're very cute.
What do you feed your pet?
I give him dry food.
Do you walk your dog every day?
Yes, twice a day.
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
What's your favorite exhibit?
I like the paintings.
Can we take pictures?
No, photography is not allowed.
How much is the ticket?
It's $10 for adults.
Let's go to the gift shop.
Good idea.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I prefer mild flavors.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make pasta.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a sandwich.
Let's try that new restaurant.
Sure, I've heard it's good.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
I can't lift this box.
Let me do it for you.
How do I fix this chair?
You need a screwdriver.
Can you explain this word?
It means to relax.
I'm lost. Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Where are the history books?
They're on the second floor.
Can I borrow this book?
Yes, but return it in 2 weeks.
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the wall.
How do I print documents?
Use the printer near the desk.
Can I study here?
Yes, please keep quiet.
I'd like to see the doctor.
What time works for you?
Is 3 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's available.
Can I reschedule my appointment?
Sure. When would you like to come?
What's your availability tomorrow?
We're open from 9 to 5.
Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes, I'll give you one now.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
How many cousins do you have?
I have 6 cousins.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
Is your family big?
Yes, we have many relatives.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we do.
What size are you?
I'm a medium.
How much is this jacket?
It's $40.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have a return policy?
Yes, within 30 days with a receipt.
What would you like to order?
I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Do you have almond milk?
Yes, we do.
Is there a discount today?
Yes, 10% off on all drinks.
Can I have this to go?
Of course.
What's your best dessert?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
Which bus goes to the mall?
Take bus number 12.
How often does the bus come?
Every 15 minutes.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, the driver doesn't give change.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
When is the last bus?
At 10 p.m.
What do you do in your free time?
I like painting.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Are you into sports?
Yes, I play volleyball.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I cook every weekend.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love taking photos.